Welcome back, everybody. I decided not to do a video yesterday because it was just more of the same. I just got a few hours of insulating in, but I finished this area here. So they are that much closer. Just got this stuff over here to do. And we've got some new equipment. Here is our 200 amp panel that we're going to slip in here above the original fuse panel that we're going to rebuild. Took a little work to find a 200 amp panel that would be small enough to fit in here in the remaining area above our original fuse panel. But now that's going to go in the wall flush, just like this one. And we'll have all of the capabilities of a new 200 amp panel for our modern appliances and safety requirements. And it won't be sticking out like this thing was. So this thing will get a nice flush mount door on it, and we'll be able to do pretty much whatever we want electrically while maintaining the look and functionality of our classic fuse panel. But not until I finish this tedious insulation. Well, there's another few hours and another few triangles. Getting closer. I had to go buy a new foam gun because mine was leaking all over the place and isn't really designed to be serviced. That's the way it is trying to do stuff these days. So, if you'd like to contribute to new foam guns that aren't designed to be serviced, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.